Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2017 Infiniti Q50 3.0 all-wheel drive Sport. One beautiful example of the Q50. This particular one is a off-leash one we acquired from Infiniti Financial Services. One owner, clean Carfax. Pretty low miles, only 21,571 miles. Most 2017s coming off 39-month leases have between usually they do 10, 12, 15,000 mile a year leases, so most of them have over 30,000. So this is pretty low mileage for 2017, and it's nicely equipped with features. Since we're a new Infiniti retailer, we can easily get the original build sheets on these, and it's always important to make sure you're comparing apples to apples. So if you have any questions about Infinitis, even though it might not be an Infiniti for sale at our store, we'd be happy to help you pull the build sheet on it so you can make an educated buying decision. This one had an original MSRP of $54,805. It features a beautiful set of 19-inch accessory wheels and tires. These come standard with 19-inch wheels, but these have these upgraded chrome wheels, so it really makes a big difference in the look of the Q50. These wheels are drop dead gorgeous. I think I'll be very impressed when I move towards the outside and see them. Then we have a maple wood trim. That was a $400 option, and you get the wood trim on the center console and on the doors. Then we have the driver's assistance package. That was a $21.50 option, giving you blind spot warning, predictive forward collision warning, forward emergency braking, front and rear parking sensors, an around view monitor with moving object detection, backup collision intervention with rear cross traffic alert, rear deck lid spoiler, $430 option. Premium Plus package was a $22.50 option, giving you navigation, Navi synchronized adaptive shift control, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, and remote engine start. Illuminated kick plates, $465 option. So those are some of the big ticket features. We have a drive mode selector here that will make changes to the suspension, transmission shift points, traction and stability control settings, steering. So you have a lot of different settings there. Also the Sport, you get steering wheel paddle shifters, so you can take control of those 7 forward gears. The Sport package also has a little bit more extra bolstering in the seats to hold you in place during performance driving. Aluminum pedals, stiffer suspension, and you have a little bit more of a aggressive looking front fascia with the Sport model for sportier styling. We have heated seats, heated steering wheel. You can see that we have a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation and parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. And like the drive mode selector there, you can also control it here. And, oh, sorry. Here we go. Drive mode selector. So for the engine, you can change different settings and you can personalize it. Maybe you like the way the engine is in sport mode, but you like the way the steering is in standard mode. So you can change those things. This one also has the same digital dynamic suspension that you find in the more expensive Red Sport model. So you have a standard setting and a sport setting for the suspension. Active traction control will brake individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate a little bit better through corners. Look at this beautiful color combination, platinum graphite, and you have these lovely upgraded accessory wheels and tires. You get bigger brakes as well with the Sport model. This one has tinted windows. This one's also Infiniti certified pre-owned, so you get all the benefits you normally would as a brand new Infiniti. You get roadside assistance for the duration of the certified warranty. Trip interruption benefits. You have a 6-year unlimited mileage certified warranty that covers over 1,400 components. Available low rate financing for qualified buyers. Complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicles. And your first year of basic maintenance is complimentary. You get all that with the certification. This one features all-wheel drive. Rear-wheel drive is standard, all-wheel drive is optional on the Q50. It's intelligent all-wheel drive. So what that means is when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will be 100% rear-wheel drive. that gives you the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car, but also having that rear-wheel drive bias will cut down on premature tire wear, which can sometimes happen with all-wheel drive vehicles, and it'll help improve gas mileage a little bit versus the all-wheel drive system constantly working all the time. And for instance, in conditions like this, you really don't need all-wheel drive. These all-wheel drive systems really improve your wet weather performance and helps improve the cornering. The all-wheel drive system will pull you out of a corner. So when you're about to exit the corner in performance driving, you step on the gas, the all-wheel drive system will just slingshot you out of that corner. It also has a yaw sensor, so if the vehicle starts, leaning, starting to go sideways on you in wet and slippery conditions, the vehicle dynamic control system will stabilize the vehicle and in most cases prevent it from spinning out of control. So it really is an amazing vehicle, lots of features and technology, also very quick. Notice you'll have a little bit more of aggressive front looking fascia with a sport model. In the heart of the Q50 is a VR30 twin turbo V6 engine, and the sport model, it makes 300 horsepower. There is also a 400 horsepower red sport model, but I can tell you for most people this car is plenty fast with 300 horsepower, so maybe if you're not sure, drive one of these, drive a red sport, and you might find this is more than adequate performance for you without having to pay a higher premium for that red sport model. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.